There was a story about a lost head of a monkey, but not any monkey and not any head. It was the story of the lost golden monkey's head, or as I like to call it, the yellow monkey. The monkey's head, which was yellow. Yeah, I just wanted to try and sculpt a stylus monkey head, and that's the video that we're going to do now. Enjoy. After the sketch is done, we can jump in Blender. As always, I will have my shortcuts on the left, and I will start off by positioning the front view and importing my amazing reference. From there, as always, I feel lost, not quite sure which shape to use. Should I keep the cube? Should I take the sphere? Many questions indeed. And I took the cube, I think. With a couple of loop cuts, as you see. But as life is always about decisions, sculpting is no different. While life might not have Control Z, you can always stop and ask for a direction. Or you can admit when you're lost and go back. In Blender, the next best thing after Control and Z is to, Blender simply crash. I don't know what happened. Well, here's what happened. I left my PC, and the PC went into sleep mode. I came back, and turned it back on, and done. And I lost that first monkey, which was looking like this. And it wasn't looking good either way. So, I start off again, as you do. Same stuff, right? Position into front view, import your reference, lower the opacity, apply modifiers to the cube, add a couple of loop cuts to get that shape of the head, and you start adding the separate shapes, like the ears, like the eyes. The eyes I think I added the last, but I think the most trouble I had was with the fur on the beard, on the lower part. I guess you could call it a beard, right? And on the lower part of the face of this monkey, and slowly, very slowly, I was getting the shape. Face, it was very simple, but I messed it up because I used a plane, and I tried to cut that in half and then mirror it, and then I didn't check this box over there. So when you mirror stuff, make sure you check the clipping box so the mirror can clip and you wouldn't have any distance between your mirror, because once you are happy with the shape, you want to merge that, you need to apply the modifier, and then you want to add some thickness to that plane. And I didn't quite do it well, but just make sure you click the clipping option over there and you will be fine. And I was trying to follow along the sketch I had, the amazing reference. Don't ask me how I got the information or how the monkey looked. Okay, no, it's classified information. But overall, I think the face turned out pretty well. I did add, once I got the blocking shape of the face, I did add a modifier, a subdivision modifier, and then I think I applied that as well. Then I used the sculpting mode to try to add it on top of the face, and after that it looks like this. And then I think the easiest part for me was the ears, because they look pretty accurate to me, to the sketch, and I was going back and forth to check with the sketch and stuff, and yeah, that's what I got at some point, until I decided to merge everything, specifically the head part, the head and the fur on the beard thing. And then I started smoothing that beard thing and the head, and I kind of lost some details on that. It's been like a day. I haven't seen the monkey, which is a lie. I saw the monkey just now, but it didn't record. Anyway, let's together now see the monkey that I have so far. Cover your eyes. Every time I see it, I make the same reaction. Okay, it's just like, look at him. I mean, it's a chunky boy. I don't know what to say. You might think, oh, it's not a chunky boy. Well, it is though. Look at him. Yeah. We have a tooth over here. Look at the tooth. It looks smooth. Like, too smooth. Like, look at the sketch. Look at the... Yeah, I think I kind of messed it up. It's too smooth. I lost the details on the fur part, I guess. I can say that, right? Oh no. I mean, it's not bad. Don't get me wrong. It's not bad. It's just too smooth. I keep repeating that.
That's what she said.
Apparently, but I think I kind of merged everything very early, and this is what I got. You know what? I'm not gonna delete the head, but I will try to redo the head, and we're gonna see how this looks by the end of this. So this is not the end. So I'm gonna be back. We're gonna be back from the class Samurai Jack. You haven't seen that? It's a very cool show. I'm gonna see you in a second. I was just looking at it so far. Oh boy. Let's go and check the monkey. Look at it. It's the monkey. It's the monkey from the sketch I did. It's close, okay? I like it. I like it. Now, I keep saying it's the yellow monkey or the golden monkey. So, I went in to make it gold. And I found a very cool tutorial. I'm gonna leave it in the link in the description. And boom! It looks like gold! Yeah! Look at it! I'm so happy with the result. Whee! I pressed something different. But look at the monkey! It's amazing. I don't know. I'm very proud of it. Look at the texture. Look at it. I don't know what to say. I'm very happy with it. And look at the tooth. It's dark black. Look at the eyes. Too close, mate. Too close. I did make a stand, and if I go here, oh good. I don't know. I'm very happy. Could be better. I mean that's always the case, but you know it's good. It's good. I like it. Do you want the first story about the lost golden monkey's head, or the yellow monkey's head, or whatever I call this in the beginning? Here's the story. I'm gonna show you the full story about the lost golden monkey's head. There was a monkey tribe on this lost island, and one day they decided to dethrone their leader. Why? Because he wanted to have all of the bananas for himself. Because on this island that they were, the bananas were lacking. There were not many bananas, and they had to eat bugs and other stuff and bamboo and shit. And they just like bananas, and he wanted the bananas for himself. And they were like, we had enough of this. Get out of here. And they literally chop off his head and turn his head into gold. That's a real story. Do not Google it. Don't. Anyway, they threw the head into the ocean, and that day turned into gold, and that's how the story came up with the golden monkey head, or the yellow monkey. And here it is, great reproduction based on nothing. Yes, I really enjoyed it. I don't know, I really enjoyed the final result. It looks like gold. It definitely, like, if I keep looking at it, obviously don't look it straight into the eyes. But it does remind me of that. I don't remember the movie. And there's this golden totem thingy. I think it's the second Indiana Jones film that they had to take and switch with a bag of sand. Yeah, that reminds me of that. I haven't looked up reference from there. But I guess this was my inspiration on some level. and you know what? It looks amazing. I hope you enjoyed this. And subscribe for more. That helps. Like for more. That also helps. And and I know what I'm gonna sculpt next, but I'm looking forward to do more less monkey business stuff. Less monkeys in Blender. Something else. I don't know. What do you want me to sculpt or to try to? Because let's be honest, I'm amazing at sculpting. It keeps looking at me now. I will close this for the sake of my health. Okay, bye now. Goodbye and enjoy your life. And the monkey. And take care of your monkey. That was a bad